Welcome. If you're trying to figure out how to turn on JavaScript in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. JavaScript is what helps websites work the way they should. Without it, many sites won't load correctly, buttons might not respond, and entire features could be missing. The good news is, enabling JavaScript in Chrome is quick and simple, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, open up Google Chrome on your device. At the top right corner of the window, you'll see 3 small dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and tap on those dots. This will open up a menu with a list of options for customizing and controlling Chrome. Next, scroll down the menu and choose Settings. Once you're inside the settings screen, there are many options you can manage, but the one we're looking for is Site Settings. Depending on your device, you might need to scroll down a bit before finding it. Tap on Site Settings once you see it. Now that you're in Site Settings, look for the option labeled JavaScript. This is where you control whether websites are allowed to run JavaScript in your browser. Tap on it, and you'll see a simple switch or toggle. If the toggle is switched off, websites won't be able to use JavaScript. To turn it on, just move the switch so that it's activated. That's it. JavaScript is now enabled in Google Chrome. From this point on, websites should load more smoothly. Interactive features should work as intended, and you'll get the full experience that most modern sites are designed to deliver. If you ever need to double-check in the future, you can always return to the same settings and confirm that the toggle is still turned on. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how your browser works. And that's all you need to know. By turning on JavaScript, you've just unlocked the full power of your Chrome browsing experience.